What's up, guys? Federal Rider, second video for today. Waiting for some people. Gonna hit some man, I say a lot. Sometimes I edit it out, but you guys don't realize I say way too many times. Like if you hear like a video where it's like, how can I explain? Where it looks like I just got done or just continue a sentence, it's because I edit out the part. So just ignore that. I also say so a lot, and and just bullshit like that. I just fucking said it again. Such a bad habit I have. But good news is I can edit it out, so you guys don't have to hear that shit. As you motor vlog, or as you listen to yourself after you record your videos, you can see how you talk yourself. Anyways, I'm out here waiting for some people. Gonna go do some wheelies and bullshit like that. Am I recording? Yes, I am. I took a energy drink, fucking hyper right now, on the verge of a fucking panic attack, so I gotta move around. If I don't, I'm gonna freak the fuck out. Oh, secret passage. Can anybody just come up here? Okay, am I getting in trouble? Oh, this is sketchy. It's pretty cool. A little chill out spot. I'm gonna keep on watch while I wait. What's up, guys? I just took my Grom. Okay. I don't think he realizes I'm here.
I was like, I know he didn't just leave his key on his bike.
No, I'm like right here. Watch you guys come in. Oh.
I like that spot.
That's normally closed. I guess our signs broke. Oh, my bad. We're not supposed to be here. This used to be our old stunt lot, but some shit happened where we got kicked out because someone was doing stunts here. They fell off their bike, hit a gate, broke it, and we had permission to be here, but shit happens, man. Like the best of the best even falling, and his bike just happened to go into a fence, so I kind of ruined a lot, and people are upset about it, but I mean, it is what it is, man. See Lewis doing some circles. Well, he's gonna try at least. Why not? Let me try. I remember last time I was learning circles, I busted my ass in this fucking little hole. I don't understand, like I can make a quick turn, but I gotta learn how to quick turn, straighten it, and then quick turn. From one of my friends, Steve-O, he told me just to half circle, straight, half circle, straight, half circle, straight. He said don't keep it going. So I mean, I'm trying to take that advice, but it's kind of hard to do circles. I think because I'm scared, because like some people when they're about to fall, they put their leg down, and I'm fucking scared to put my leg down. Like, I don't understand how they do it. Ooh. Ooh. See, I need to learn how to do the fucking finger and brake. I'm still learning that, but usually I have to do like, when I do a wheelie, I'll pop up and then put my finger here, if you guys can see it. I need to learn how to put both of these and use them. I've been learning how to do it. I gotta get used to this new sprocket because I don't know what speeds I can go now. Before I can go a lot higher speed and then pop a wheelie up, but this time I can't. So if I try to do it, it just doesn't have enough power band. Blocks! Blocks, are you hurt? Yeah, right now we're just chilling right now under a trail. Chico's gonna do something sketchy. Let's see how this goes. RP frame. That's it, my boy. Your toes. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want to ride with the order. Peace out.